Hi, everybody. Today, I would like to share with you an incident. Many times when we meet somebody, we may not know why we are meeting them. What is that made you to meet them? And sometimes in life, later in our life, they may come again, and that may help us sometimes based on how we have dealt with them. So it's always better, like when you see anybody, when you have people around you, always be good to everybody, because tomorrow we may not know how they will come to rescue us. It's not only for that. Maintaining good relationship is always healthy. It's always make you feel good, you know. So this message should be taken very seriously, and I'm practicing it. Whomever we see, they may be not very big use today. They may not be having a big position or power to help us today, but it's not a relationship which is defined that you get in touch with somebody and get acquainted with them, be good to them only if they are useful to us. So that concept should be taken off from our mind, and which I am experiencing and practicing now. Whomever we feel, whomever we talk to, give value to them as a human being. And if there is something which can be done, if you can help them for something or the other, please do it. Not for the sake of some time in the future, they may come to help you, but as a humanity basis, as a human, try to do some favor or try to do something good for people who are in need of you. So we may not know what will happen to us tomorrow. So if we help somebody, maybe someone else will come and help us, or the same person may also come and help us. I read a story which the school children and the kids learn. This is about a slave and the lion. Once there was a slave and he was ill treated by his master. So he ran away from the master's place and he came to a forest. He came running and he saw a lion suffering with pain because it got a thorn in its foot, on the paw. So the slave, what happens? He could not go away from there because the lion is suffering. Though it was a lion, the slave did not fear for the lion. He doesn't want to leave the lion and go away. See, that reminds me of something that's happening in today's world. If something happens on the road, somebody falls and somebody met with an accident or crying with pain or something like that, people start taking videos. People take photographs and even a selfie to post it in the Facebook. But instantly, what is required there is not a photograph. You need to go and help them. You need to provide your support to them. So that thought came into this slave, and he went to the lion and he tried to remove the thorn from the paw, and he succeeded in removing the thorn from the paw of the lion. Then the lion was relieved from the pain and it went off without hurting the slave. Actually, what happens? The lion will eat the slave. That is what the slave expected. But still, the lion did not do anything. It just went away into the forest. Some days later, the slave's master, he comes hunting to the forest and catches many animals and cages them. The slave spotted by the master's men. Actually, the slave was wandering in the forest. He does not want to go to the city and get caught by the master, and he was hiding in the forest. And the one of the men, like they came for hunting. So one of the men of the master found this slave and brings him to the master. The master was so annoyed and unhappy because the slave ran away from him, so he wanted to punish him. So he sees the lion's cage where this lion whom the slave helped in removing the thorn was caged. So the master's men, what happened? They pushed him into the lion's cage, and the slave was shut into the cage of the lion. And the master was waiting to see whether the lion will eat this slave. But what happened? The lion was saved by the same slave, and the lion remembered that. And now he did not eat the slave. He saved the slave because the slave saved the lion from the pain by removing the thorn from its paw once upon a time. So the slave rescued the lion and all other caged animals. So that is what happened, and this is what will happen in our life also. One should help others when they are in need, and we get the rewards of our help acts in return. Maybe we may get through the same person, or someone else may come and help us, but still, without expecting any help from anybody in return, try to help who are in need. Stay blessed.